young nigga trap. Sir, young nigga, sir. Got it out the curb, got it out the curb. And I'ma make a move, I'ma make a move. I'ma make a move, I'ma make a move. Okay. Anyways, you guys, hi. So this car is just a little too fancy for me. It's the technology for me. Anyways, y'all. Just my goddamn mirror. What they got all that trash back there. Anyways, y'all. So, you know how I told y'all we're doing hot girl shit all this week, baby. Okay, hot girl summer. Anyways, I'm going to the store to get some things that I need for my plants, and I'm really trying to beat sundown because of the simple fact that I don't want to be outside with the mosquitoes and stuff, and most importantly, like, I can't see out there. I mean, I got a back porch light, but it's really only like on one side of the porch, so it doesn't really help a lot, you know. And then, you know, I got to move all these plants around, and there be spiders and stuff back there. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't like spiders, okay? So I'm trying to hurry up before the sun go down. So y'all just wish me the best of luck. I just finished if y'all jiggling, bouncing around, I'm so sorry. Just finished the video. That video will be up way before this video is gonna be up. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned and be checking things out for the content and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Okay. I want to go to Dollar General, to be real, y'all. And I believe that's kind of where I'm gonna go. I need to go get my dog. I still ain't even got my baby off. So, well, I either need to go and get her because Mary is on something. Mary on something. But I think I need to go and get her and then just wait a couple days, because I'll just take this as my baby free day. Well, yesterday as my baby free day. So this car is just too much for me, honey. Yes. So really, your girl just been working all day. Right now it's 6:26. I got probably about like another hour. Miss the light, Lord. Yeah, I got another hour before the lights, the sun go down or whatever. And this project that I'm doing, see, I might have to go. Look at this ugly ass bug. It's a leaf bug. He holding on for dear life. Okay, y'all. It's a grasshopper that look like a leaf. But anyways, yeah. See, I might have to go to Home Depot. I might have to just suck it up and go to Home Depot and just pay the extra whatever they gonna charge real nigga, because what I need to get to put this twine up, it's a whole little backyard project, y'all. I might end up recording it for you guys, but if not, then yeah, it's a project that I'm working on, y'all. It's a project that I'm working on. I just want to get everything together. This mouse seems like it's not even on here all the way, so if y'all fall down, I apologize in advance. But you know what? I'm so ready to take this hair down, though. I'm ready to take this hair down. I'm ready to, you know, tend to my natural hair. I miss my hair. Yeah. make it to the store, you guys, I'll take y'all into the store with me. I got my little handheld mount, so that way, you know, it's up there. Okay, so I'll see y'all once I make it to the store. Yeah, I just seen a midget riding the bicycle. Okay, you know what? Bye.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's fake kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. I get it.
Some pots. These pots look like they're expensive as hell, but I need a really big pot. could use some of these little rollers right here. Not for no $15. Well, not for no $16. So that next time, but right now I'm budgeting because remember that we're going to the woods. So we need all the coins we can get. So I'm gonna check out and then I'm gonna get y'all back there. Y'all jiggling and bouncing around up in here again. I need to get this thing situated. Okay, I'm a little crooked, but it's okay, y'all. We gonna work with what we got to get what we want. Goddamn. So let me tell you how this lady tried to jip me up out my money. This lady gonna try to charge me $66. Try to charge me 66. When I said how much these bricks is. How I know out of all the shit that I had got, how I know that's what she had in the wrong. Cause on the little thing it say the bricks is $3.19. Yeah, it said bricks $3.19. That's she put the wrong bricks in. Dang, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to redo this because this ain't what's up. They're bringing some shit back. Look like. Yeah, she had me for the wrong price. I gotta come up here and get my nigga a grill. I might have to just tell Cops Cable though. As a matter of fact, let me call Cops. Cause Cops be on that bullshit anyways. I'm gonna call y'all back. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna fuck with y'all later. I'm gonna let y'all know once I make it to the house, whatever.